Hi everyone, it's Holly here. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a hair tutorial showing you how to achieve this beautiful blowout look. It's like a fresh blowout with a little extra curl to it, and it stays all day, which is amazing. These pieces actually stay all day rounded around the face. I found a way to do it, so I was so excited to share it with you, and that's what I'm sharing today. If you're new to my channel, my name's Holly. I post all about makeup, beauty, style, wellness. I share all of my favorite things basically here. Tutorials, style hauls, try-ons, all of that. Today, we are doing this look. I'm gonna show you the video, the tutorial in my bathroom. I just did my hair. You don't need many things for it, so I just got this new curling iron because I was using an older one, and I just knew I could get an iron that was a little bit less damaging on my hair, a newer technology, also just with a couple extra perks. Curling iron is way better than my last one. My last one was a Hot Tools Gold one, which is a great iron, but I looked up and the material in this one, I think it's ceramic and titanium, is less damaging on the hair, and I have color treated fine hair, so I want to be careful not to damage it. And it also, the material grips your hair better. I find it didn't slide out of my hair quite as much. It's not as shiny of a surface, and then I like holding onto this end. It actually really helped me curl the hair. And I used it in the 1/4 inch width, which is my favorite to do for hair. I just love that. You need a hairspray, a nice detangling gentle brush. I got this one from Sheila Stotts. I really love it. It has these metal ends, but it actually is so gentle on the hair and is amazing at detangling when wet or dry. And I feel like I've had less fallout because of it. I don't know for sure, but I think so. And it gives your scalp a little massage too, which I actually look forward to that at the end of the day. You need these little clips, kind of meant for keeping your hair off your face when you're doing makeup, but they have a like plastic resin part on one of these alligator clips. I find these ones are the only clips that don't leave dents in my hair when setting curls. I've tried all different kinds, and these are the best. So my favorite are, I got these from Tatcha. They're the best ones. Also the Kitsch ones. I think Kitsch is the brand. They're really good too, because they're just like a nice thick plastic or resin, I'm not sure, and easy to use. Your hair doesn't get caught in them. Really like those. Just a couple brushes and combs. You need a rat tail, like fine tooth comb end to make sure the part's nice and straight, or to the side, whatever you like to do, but for this kind of look, we do middle parts. And then a boar bristle backcomb brush just to finish up the look. Those are the things you're gonna need to create this style. I will jump right into it now. Okay, so you're gonna start off, I actually sprayed the strand with hairspray to start, and then wrap around my barrel, making sure to heat up the strand before I start curling it. Put it at a horizontal angle, and then try to kind of keep that curl together in a formed curl, and then I pin it in place. So you can see I'm using the hairspray there. I find it just helps my hair a lot. It's probably not healthy for you, but it works. And then make sure to heat that top section, pull it down, and then repeat all the way through the length of your hair, all the way to the bottom. You want the curl on the very end as well. Gather that hair and then pin it in place, and repeat it all over your head. So make sure you have quite a few of these clips. They'll be needed, and you can do them higher up on your head like I am here. I have done them looser, just hanging towards the ends, and that works too. It just depends on the vibe you're going for, but this is for that real blowout bouncy curl look. And the more you curl it higher up like this, it'll last for longer in the day. You definitely want to do it on the front pieces, because those are the ones we really want to last a long time. And my curling iron is 1 1/4, I think. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. And then I left it in until they completely cooled, let them out one at a time, brushing through just to soften that curl, making sure that middle part is a sharp middle part, softening with a boar bristle brush or back comb, whatever you have, a light misting of hairspray, and this is the final look. Gorgeous, healthy, shiny, bouncy blowout hair. I love this look. I've been wearing it a lot lately. It takes a little bit to get the hang of, but once you do, it's amazing. This is the final look, creating this gorgeous all-day blowout look using a curling iron. These little side curls here stayed all day. These curls kind of softened a bit, but pieces in the front kept this curled, rounded wisp. And I have some layers in the front, and that's the most key part, is to have the hairstyle that stays all day. It stays shiny, absolutely obsessed. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you end up trying it. I will link all the products that I shared with you needed for this tutorial down below. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like it down below and subscribe to me here on YouTube. I post every single week. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and TikTok and follow me at the same handle over there at @hall_ward. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.